FIFA World Cup 2026 update, 2025 how to. I'm your host, Steve Ovo Shorts. I'm jumping out of my Christmas hat. Hey everyone, it's your boy Steve Ovo Shorts and welcome back. Yes, I'm using a power bank as a microphone to 2025 how to. We are counting down the FIFA World Cup 2026. And right now there are just 237 days to go until kickoff. Let's check out who's already qualified as of today. Our hosts, Canada, Mexico, and USA. From Asia, we have Japan, Iran, South Korea, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Australia, Uzbekistan, and Jordan. From Africa, South Africa, Bafana, Morocco, Ghana, Algeria, Egypt, Senegal, Ivory Coast, Tunisia, and Cape Verde. Verde. Please help me to pronounce it. From South America, the Argentinians, Argentina, Brazil, Colombia, Uruguay, Ecuador, and Paraguay. And from Europe, we have England. And from Oceania, we have New Zealand, apologies. That's a total of 33 teams qualified with just 13 spots open for the remaining nations to fight for. This is Steve Ovo Shorts 2025 how to. Our road to the 2026 World Cup is heating up, and you already know I will keep you updated every step of the way. So smash that subscribe button, join us on this journey, join the 2025 How To family, stay locked in with me, Steve Ovo Shorts, your host. See you in the next one. Let's go!